Hi, today we're gonna start a craft before we do our dance. So we're gonna do shake the egg dance, but first we need eggs. So if you have any plastic Easter eggs laying around the house, find one or two or three, and we're gonna fill them and put them something inside so that they make noise. Maybe you've got some small rocks outside. I happen to have some little beads from other craft projects, and so I'm going to take those, put them in. You could use rice or dried beans or get creative. Maybe you have some Legos. You can stick them inside, and we're going to close it. But then, because I've dropped them and everything has like exploded out of there, so then we're going to take a little bit of tape, Scotch tape, right on the crease or right where they come together so that it doesn't fall apart. So there we've got our shaken egg. So make sure you have it ready to go, and then we're going to do our dance.
Shake, yeah, shake, 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 shake 'em high, shake 'em low, shake 'em fast, shake 'em slow. Shake 'em on your shoulders, shake 'em on the ground, shake 'em in the air, shake 'em round and around, and shake, shake, yeah, shake, shake, shake 'em on your belly, shake 'em on your toes, shake 'em in your hair, shake 'em on your nose, shake 'em on your knees, next to your ear, shake 'em so soft, so only you can hear, and shake, shake, turn 'em like the wheels of a choo-choo train, shake 'em in the clouds, shake 'em till it rains, shake 'em on your shoulders, shake 'em on the ground, shake 'em in the air, shake 'em round and around, and shake,
Thanks so much for doing the egg shaking dance. It was so fun, and you got to meet some of my family too. Hey, have a great day and be safe.